Hi, a Caoimhe is me Caoimhe Ní Chathail agus is leithreoir radio mé ar BBC Radio Olú ar an chláir blas Ceol a bísar siúil a hanithe aine idir leithne ní agus leithne a deich. So it's me Caoimhe Ní Chathail and I'm a radio presenter on BBC Radio Ulster. Every Friday night between 9:30 and 10:30 you can find Blast Ceol, the Irish language music programme, so you can tune into that. But while I'm some tacaíochta a léarú den fhéile Léargas fhéile, I just want to show support for the festival Léargas 2020. Atá arsúil ag anna devach. Tá sé saor in aisce. It's totally free. It's going to be happening between the 1st and 5th of June. Bei sé Ar-líne, so it'll be online. Idir an chéad agus an cuid de bhí an bheithimh. Online saor aisce, totally free. Bei neart rudí an rang in a gaelig, leachtaí agus bei ceolar channels, so there'll be lots of different things happening. Irish language classes, lectures, and there'll be singing classes, all sorts of crack. Ma tá tusa ag éirí de spás a chur in éirithe is féidir rifost a chur ag culture ag onid.eu. So if you want to book a space, you can send it to culture, CULTUR, at onid.ionad.eu. Léargas, fihe a boo! Woohoo!